A few weeks ago, I had an eye-opening experience while scrolling through Instagram. I stumbled upon these videos featuring some of the most breathtaking living rooms I'd ever seen. The designs were modern, the aesthetics were impeccable, and I couldn't help but be impressed. Then, I noticed something astonishing. These were not real living rooms, but creations crafted through the power of AI. Intrigued, I delved deeper and discovered that the Instagram page hosting these videos boasted nearly 10 million followers. The videos were a massive hit, amassing tens of millions of views, some even surpassing the 100 million mark. It was evident that this page was generating a significant income, probably in the tens of thousands of dollars every month, just from these AI-generated videos. This revelation sparked a curiosity in me. How exactly were these mesmerizing videos made? Upon further research, I found out that not only was the process surprisingly simple, but it also didn't cost a dime. This was a game changer. Realizing the potential here, I decided to take this knowledge and share it with you. Whether you're aiming to start a faceless Instagram page or seeking soothing backdrops for your lo-fi music channels, this is your chance to create something special and potentially profitable. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Now let's get into the heart of creating these tranquil AI-generated videos. The key tool in our arsenal is an AI image generator. There's a variety of them out there, with Midjourney being one of the most renowned for its quality and ease of use. However, if you're looking for a free alternative that doesn't skimp on quality, Leonardo is a fantastic choice. It generously offers 150 free credits every day, which is more than sufficient for our project. Our primary objective is to generate images of elegant living rooms, particularly those with expansive floor-to-ceiling windows that add a touch of luxury and openness. To assist you in this endeavor, I've crafted a specific prompt designed for the Leonardo diffusion model. This prompt, which you can find in the description below this video, is a great starting point. Of course, there's room for customization. You can modify the prompt according to your style preferences, but the crucial element to include is the instruction to create a spacious, double-height room adorned with large windows. Once you've input the prompt, hit the Generate button and watch as the AI creates your dream living room. A pro tip for achieving the best results: upscale your image. Leonardo has an excellent upscale image feature which you can easily access at the bottom of the screen. This step enhances the quality and detail of your image, making it more appealing and realistic. But that's not all. You'll also need to create a separate image for what appears outside the windows. To maintain consistency in style and quality, I've prepared another prompt specifically for generating these background views. Just like before, enter this prompt, generate the image, upscale it for better quality, and then download it. Now comes the critical and slightly technical part of the process. You need to remove the windows from your room image to later add the background view. If you're proficient in Photoshop, that's a great tool to use. However, if you're looking for a cost-effective alternative, Photopea is an excellent online tool that mirrors Photoshop's functionality. Upload your room image to Photopea and utilize the polygonal lasso tool to trace and cut out the window areas. This tool allows for precise and clean cuts, making your editing look professional. Click on each corner of a window, enclose the shape, and then press backspace to remove that section of the window. You might encounter some challenging areas, especially around furniture like couches, where the window cutting needs to be more precise. In such cases, switch to the Magic Wand tool. This tool is fantastic for selecting specific parts of an image, like the window sections, with just a click. Once selected, you can easily delete these parts. Repeat this process for any difficult areas, and then revert to the polygonal lasso tool for the more straightforward sections. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating captivating, AI-generated content that could not only enrich your digital portfolio, but also open doors to potential income streams. This is an opportunity to unleash your creativity, experiment with AI technology, and perhaps even kickstart a lucrative online venture. So, let your imagination run wild and begin your journey into the fascinating world of AI-generated content. Once you've neatly trimmed the window sections, it's time to switch back to the polygonal lasso tool to finalize the details of each window. This process is quite simple. When you're finished, navigate to the File menu in the top left corner, choose Export As, and select the PNG format for your image. Assign a suitable name to your file and hit the Save button. Now, let's transition to the exciting part of this project, animating these images. For this task, I strongly recommend using CapCut. It's not just a free tool, but it's also incredibly user-friendly, ideal for those who are just beginning their journey in video editing. Personally, I use CapCut for all my video editing needs. Start by uploading both the image with the windows you've just cut out and the background image that you created with your AI image generator. First, drag and drop the background image onto the timeline. Right above that, you'll want to layer the image with the windows you've cut out. The next step is to add a whimsical touch of winter, a snow effect. This can be easily found by doing a quick search on YouTube for snow green screen videos. Choose the one that appeals to you the most and download it. Once you have it, it's time to import it into CapCut. Your next move is to position this snow effect video in between the background image and the window image on your timeline. This is where you really start to see the magic happen. In CapCut, navigate to the Cutout feature within the video editing tools. Turn on the chroma key and select the color picker. Aim for the green shade in your snow video and increase the chroma key strength until the green background completely fades away. You may observe that some remnants of green still cling to the edges of the snowflakes. To rectify this, proceed to the Adjustments section and find the Saturation slider. Pull this slider all the way to the left. This action will strip all color from the video, leaving you with crisp, white snowflakes. To enhance the visual impact, tweak the brightness slider to its maximum setting. This adjustment will make your snowflakes pop out more vividly. However, you might notice that the snowflakes appear somewhat oversized and sparsely scattered across the video. A quick solution is to scale down the snowflake video and replicate it across the entire span of your video. This creates the illusion of a more abundant snowfall. For added realism, slightly alter the direction of each snowflake layer. With these adjustments, you've successfully created a captivating snow effect. Should your background image seem overly bright, you can easily tone it down. Select the background image, return to the Adjustments menu, and dial down the brightness for a more subdued and balanced appearance. Once you are satisfied with the overall look, proceed to export, give your video an engaging title, and save your work. To add a final touch of warmth, I'm planning to incorporate a fireplace into the scene. To achieve this, I'll re-import the video into CapCut for additional edits. Much like the snow effect, start by searching for Fire Green Screen on YouTube, choose a video that matches your vision and download it. Upload this fire effect video to CapCut and replicate the steps used for the snow effect. Utilize the Cutout tool, activate the chroma key, and use the color picker to remove the green background. Adjust the scale of the fire video so that it fits snugly into the fireplace area. I recommend trimming off a part of the top of the fire, which will create the illusion that the fire is realistically nestled inside the fireplace. Alright, we're coming up on the final stretch. What you need to do now is merge both layers into a single composite clip. Simply select them both and create this combined clip. Next, we're going to tweak the aspect ratio. Head over to the ratio settings and adjust it to 9:16, which is the perfect format for short videos on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. After setting the ratio, go ahead and resize your video, placing it towards the left side of your screen. Now, here's a cool trick to bring dynamic movement to your video. Position the timing bar at the very beginning of your clip. Then, find the position and size option in the video section, usually located in the top right corner. Here's where you add a keyframe. Next, drag the timing bar all the way to the end of your clip and pop in another keyframe. After this, nudge your video a bit to the right, and voila! You've got yourself a moving video. But wait, let's pause and take a moment to see what we've accomplished. There you have it. Absolutely stunning. Remember, this technique isn't just for show. You can use it to craft serene backdrops for things like faceless lo-fi beats channels too. I'm all about exploring diverse ways to earn through AI-generated content. If you're into that and want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep creating and innovating.